Is this a tutorial? Is this a fail? What is going on?
What is this, honey?
Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Bridget. If you are a returning delegate, welcome to the delegation squad. If you want to join the delegation squad, subscribe to my channel. That's it. Like, that's all you have to do. Subscribe to my channel. So today's video, as you can tell from the title, is hair related, and I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this hairstyle. Did I think it was going to turn out like this? No, but you'll find out in the video, so keep watching. Warning, I don't look like this throughout the video, okay? Just preparing you psychologically for the I am not an expert. This is trial and error. Now let's get into it. This is the situation of my hair right now. I know, I'm not proud of what you are seeing. I am not proud. If you have 4C hair, you know the struggles of styling it. African hair has a mind of its own, okay? Like, it can decide to go with you or not. You never really know. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is taking down my twists, then I'll comb it out. So I'm done combing.
I believe I can fly.
I could literally leave it like this. Like, yo, have you ever been in the middle of styling your hair and you're just there like, I'm on your channel now. The next thing I'm gonna do is divide my hair in the middle because I want to have a style at the front. I don't want it to be like So I'm done dividing the sections of the side, so I'm going to do the same for this other side, and I'm going to match them up to the lines so they're equal. To kind of keep the section neat, I'm going to be using gel in between like the sections. And the gel I'm using is soft and free. Normally I use Eco Styler, but I am out of it. So I'm finished dividing the sections. Honestly, I know I look crazy. I'll take one section and then the second one of the other line, and then I'm gonna tie them together like that. You get the vibe? So to hold the rest of the hair down, I'm using a bobby pin. Then I do a simple twist. So the next step is to gel the rest of my hair up into a high ponytail. I'm using a toothbrush because I feel like toothbrushes are the best for this, honestly. I'm taking the gel on the edge of the toothbrush and then I take my edge and I swoop it back into my hair. I'm gonna leave this on for like 15 minutes and then I'll come back and finish this entire tutorial.
Eventually.
It's been around 15 minutes and now I have to take them out.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
So after all the work I've done, my hair won't lay down.
Oh, no.
Some of them won't just go down. Okay, these people on YouTube who are out here telling us how to sleek fussy hair. I'm sorry.
My hair doesn't work like that.
Is this a tutorial? Is this a fail? What is going on?
Hey. What is this, honey?
The only part that I'm not disappointed with is this. Like literally, that's the only part of my hair that's turning out good and my edges. Other than that, but you know, I didn't come this far to quit, so let's continue.
We shall fake it until we make it.
I have the extension here with me. So where the strings are is where I think I put at the front. I think at this point we've all determined that I'm not an expert. I mean, it's not looking too bad. Okay, now maybe this isn't too much of a disaster. Obviously, I can't leave it like this because of this something happening over here that I don't like. Well, somehow, somewhere along the way of doing all this, it has worked. It's not perfect, but it has worked. That's the point. So next I'm gonna add the accessories and then we can see this is a look. It's a wrap. So this is the finished look, you guys. I struggled. I did my best. But here we are.
Yeah. I was finna write a song about how I've been hella stressed, but I looked in your eyes and noticed I'm hella blessed. Staring at you on this airplane, I ain't worried about nothing, cause you got me feeling like the Wayne Wade in 03. Yeah, you and me, we got the heat, so bump all that anxiety. But you hit to the side of me, I feel like I'm gliding. And honestly, look, I don't want you saying that you had a better chance without me, that you wish you had made plans without me. Look, I hate to make this song about me.
yeah, we have come to the end of the disaster that was about to happen. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on my Instagram, my Facebook, my everything is in the description box, and all the items that I use in this video are in the description box as well. If you learned something, comment down below what you learned. Also, I might not be posting a video next week because I have exams, but not to worry, I will see you guys the week after. See you in the next video. Bye.
I still get goosebumps whenever